Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in the Capcut PC with the email. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the Capcut application and you will see this type of interface. Now you just need to click on the option called sign in at the top or this join pro. Once you click on it, this will open up. In order to log in using your email, what you need to do is click on this sign in with Google, because your email is going to be with your Google. Now it's going to take you to the login page. Over here you need to choose the email which you already have logged in to your browser. If you don't have any email logged in on your browser, it's just going to take you to the place where you guys can enter your new email, and from there you can just enter just like this is the place it's going to bring you. If you have not any account, sign in to your browser, you can enter your email, click on next, and then enter your password and log into your account. And that's pretty much it. That's how to log in the Capcut PC with email. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.